Veritas 846, ang radyo ng simbahan. The number one faith-based radio station. Makinig. From Mega Manila, Philippines to the World Wide Web through broadcast and social media. Veritas 846 Kapanan, 55 years of Catholic broadcasting.
Kapanalig makinig, tapang may hatid, tanging pag-asa at pag-ibig, nagpapalaya sa totohanan ng batid. Veritas 846, ang radyo ng simbahan.
Member, Catholic Media Network and kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
This is radio station DZRB, Radio Veritas, owned and operated by the Global Broadcasting System Incorporated, operating at 846 kilohertz with the power of 50,000 watts. The broadcasting studios and offices of Radio Veritas 846 are located at Veritas Tower, number 162, West Avenue, corner EDSA, Quezon City. The transmitter and tower site at Barangay Lomos, Mekawayan, Bulacan. DZRB Radio Veritas is authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with permit number D-STO709-97, duly licensed electronics and telecommunications engineers and first-class radio telephone operator, studio technicians, Engineer Edgar Bernardo with ECE license number 006-9955. Alexander Saramoset with license number 97-1PIII-19550. Jimmy Francisco Jr. with license number 002-8578. And Vicente Samaniego Jr. with license number 159950. Transmitter technicians Gilberto Fernando with license number 2K-1PHN-25169. Alvin Gibb with license number 96-1PIII-17211. Brian Torres with license number 2K-1PHN-25170. And Marlon San Diego with license number 98-1PIII-22063. This is DZRB Radio Veritas 846. Now signing off. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Thank you.